Because it's funny.
All right.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Mod Garage for another video.
Welcome back to wind noise.
Yeah, probably just wind noise. Hold up. Today, we're going to be doing some Integra work, and right now we're just ripping around in Noah's car to get some supplies. And yeah, then we're going to head back to the garage and show you guys what we got planned for today. Anything to add? Anything to add?
We're gonna fix my holes.
Yeah, we're going to plug Noah's holes.
So water stops leaking into my trunk.
Jesus Christ, Chip. Holy fuck, this guy's driving like an idiot. Anyways, we'll see you guys in a second. Peace out.
Like, did you know that you have onion breath?
Why would I say that?
I don't know. Hey, man. Oh my god! Jeez!
You guys couldn't feel that, but I thought we were gonna lose control. That was understeer nationals. Nice driving, dude. Go get your materials out of the way.
This is gonna fix all the holes in my car.
Hell yeah.
Perfect. Some 16 gauge steel. Fix our holes in my trunk.
Perfecto.
Yeah.
Awkward. A little rusty.
I think this isn't rusty.
Yep, it's nice.
Like my Integra.
You're just being filming stallion out here. Poor gal.
Made it up great.
Nice work, man. Alright, so we should probably show you what we're actually trying to do today.
That's a good idea.
So Noah just got the plastics off the interior here. And the whole goal of today is, wash your hand.
I get it. The whole goal.
Yeah, the whole goal of today, no pun intended, is to fill these craters right here, because Noah's wing sits like this, and then it sits kind of like half over this hole, and yeah, exactly, it leaks kind of bad. So today we're going to be filling this one and this one as well.
Maybe
And,
the antenna.
yeah, and then if we feel like it after we've done those two, we may come to the antenna and do that
My
as well.
antenna is disgusting and broken.
And yeah, it doesn't work, it looks bad, so
I wonder how it broke.
I don't know how, man. Some idiot probably came and pulled it off.
Probably.
Definitely wasn't me. So to start here, I've just got two little pieces cut out. The one hole's obviously bigger than the other. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut these out and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so we have our final product here. These are the plates that are going to be covering the holes. They're just little, what are these, 18 gauge?
22.
22 gauge.
No, 16.
16 gauge, okay, that's it. And anyways, it's just a light gauge steel, and basically what we're going to do is just throw them in behind these holes, and we've already cleaned this off, and then we're going to weld it up and just see what happens. Send it.
Send it.
Nice. Alright guys, so we made some progress now. I didn't film because I was trying to show Noah how to use a welder, and it was pretty stressful and scary watching him weld, so
He also didn't have a mask on.
Yeah, I didn't have a mask on, so apologize for that, but we'll show you the progress here. Noah just welded in this little plate. That was one of his first times welding, so I'm gonna say that's pretty damn good. Got a little porosity, but that's fine. We're gonna clean it out and then probably just fill it in with some Bondo, and then there's a few spots we're gonna hit again with a welder, but yeah, that's how easy it is to fill a hole when you got a welder and some material. Alright guys, so we got her all cleaned up, and she's less than flat, a little recessed if anything now. So what we're gonna do is hit it with some Bondo just to fill this little hole, and then probably move on to the other side as well. So yeah, nice work, dude.
Thanks, man.
Two holes, we decided to do the antenna as well. We just got her out.
Gross.
She's pretty gross in there, a little rusty as you can see. But now we have the entire module out.
I think this is an aftermarket one, that's why it's
Yeah,
so
it
weird.
doesn't look like a stock one, but if you do want to get your antenna out, the best thing to do is just get like a rag or something and a screwdriver, and you can usually just pry it off. Especially if it's like ours and it's super rusty and gross. So
yeah, and you never listen to radio anyways.
Yeah.
Up for an hour either. How you didn't want mess on your road?
Don't mess on the road. Fuck, I know what he's getting. This is not gonna end well. Yep, that's what I thought. Nice.
Here you go.
Oh, sick. Nice little greasy sprocket. Oh my god, dude!
What?
Why you do this?
I don't know.
Let's fix it.
Already repairs. Alright. New rifle place.
Filled up here. That's what our antenna hole looks like after the metal's been patched in. And then these are the trunk holes, number 1 and number 2. And now we're just gonna come with some fiberglass Bondo and then some regular Bondo and then a lot of sanding. And yeah, it's gonna be a great time.
These are fucking not going anywhere.
Yeah, no, they're solid.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah,
Not bad for first welding project.
yeah, good work, bud.
Thanks, man.
What's up, guys? You definitely can't hear me.
What's up, guys? Just a little update here. So we started doing some body work. So we got Bondo laid down on all the spots. Now it just needs a quick sand. It just should be good.
Also, we did fiberglass Bondo before we regular Bondo, just to
fill like the deeper parts and then just regular Bondo over top of that.
Yeah, so we're just waiting for it to dry. We use a ton of hardener so that we can just get as many layers as we can because it's gonna get dark kind of soon.
You're nasty.
No. Wow.
Antenna who?
Rubber Spray Nationals.
Whatever.
This is a really good idea. Use the whole roll as a masking device.
Noah's Body Workshop.
Hit me up. Slide in one of those DMs if you want any work done, because I'm obviously a pro.
Cheapest rates in Calgary, right here.
Oh yeah. Let's buy a case of beer. So it's been drying for about 5 minutes, so I guess we're ready for paint.
Absolutely perfect.
It's a lot of dust.
Yeah, you can't even tell where he touched it at all. You can't even see it.
Let me make sure it covers some stuff.
Oh, it's not doing nothing.
It's also already stop doing that.
Not doing anything.
What do you mean? I hate when it does that. These cans suck dick.
Sure, not really.
Don't ask anything.
Okay. It's like a fine wine.
Oh, I didn't bring any clear coat.
Nice. I don't think I have any either. This has gone downhill pretty quickly, not
We
gonna
also
lie.
can't see what's happening because it's too dark, so we can't even tell.
Yeah,
if it looks good or not.
sun is pretty well all the way down, so
I'm gonna guess it doesn't look good.
painting in the dark is a recipe for success, though.
Well,
All right, dude.
what's up? So it's all back together. the wing's back on.
Hell yeah.
It's definitely not perfect, but it's not really.
Yeah, so we got the wing back on, and sorry we didn't film a whole lot of this video and didn't really show you guys what was going down before, but those two holes basically sat like right on the inside of this wing, or right on the inside of this little, I don't know, down portion of the wing, and right there, and they leaked right in Noah's trunk, so that was the main reason for fixing this.
Full of water.
Yeah, exactly, and obviously we wanted to fix that, and then with this one, we just wanted to shave the antenna, you know? But yeah, she's looking a hell of a lot better, that's for sure. She's back to her final form. Not final form, but her form for now. So yeah.
All right, guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.